No cap. No bat. Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back, JDI fam. Listen, before we start, shout out to everybody that's part of Noti Gang. If you part of Noti Gang, drop that Noti Gang down in the comments, bro. Let me know if you part of Noti Gang. Y'all know we extremely lit. No cap. Y'all see from the title. We finna be reacting to this video. So let's just jump into it and see what's going on. You feel what I'm saying? God damn. God damn. Man, listen.
Am I blinking? Yeah.
My mustache look like that, bro.
Start out the vlog with everybody, man. Start out the vlog with a good day. And you're pregnant.
Bro, he's a brackhead. I swear to Boogie is a brackhead, I swear to God. He moves like a jug.
Oh!
God damn. Damn, Braap cutting up on that bit though. No lie.
No lie, y'all won't eat like.
Bro, what? Bro, let me just pause it right there. Bro, listen. Just for the record, I haven't heard anybody tune the way Boogie does. Like, he's a joke, bro. He moves like a straight crackhead, I swear to God. Like, nobody I had, like, he has the best tune, bro. Plain and simple. But they're both moving like crackheads right now, I swear to God. It's like they off 60s or something. Like, they're moving wild. Like, they tweaking right now.
Yeah, who the real one, king? No, y'all won't eat like so.
He's doing construction. Y'all hear Boogie doing construction? Dun, dun, dun. That sound like he on a he got a jackhammer. Dun, 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 dun. Sound like a straight up jack. Dun, 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 dun. Sound like a jackhammer. Nigga is doing construction, I promise you.
Slow down. Yeah, Boogie, you're not supposed to drop it, though. You're not supposed to drop it. Oh! You're not supposed to drop it.
Hey, leg over the handlebars, I see you. He's stunting. Sheesh.
Yo, Boogie! We don't eat lights no more, bro. We don't eat lights. We gotta stop, bro. No corre, luce, mana.
Bro, he's going right through them Jones. He don't give about what you talk about.
Oh, light.
Bro, calm down, like. I know from like the outside looking in, they're like, they need to calm down.
Oh!
I swear, I know that's what they say. They need to calm down. Why are they so hyper like that?
Oh, my stunts, y'all.
crackhead. He said he don't eat lights. He just ran through the stop sign.
You know what, dog? Stop at stop sign.
They going crazy though, I ain't gonna lie. But I can't wait till it get nice out. I'm gonna be on my ish for sure. Bro, he's up there drumming that thing, boy. Bro, I'm telling y'all, he's a brackhead, bro. I swear to God. That's that rice and beans. Bro, do y'all hear that? Like, you gotta understand, like, he's doing it at a pace that a lot of people don't do it, but it's clean. You gotta listen to it. It's clean, it's consistent. Then it boogie. And he's doing it long. With the same consistency, the same frequency. Like, bro, that is crazy. Y'all see how Braap, he couldn't even keep up with him. He couldn't keep up with, bro, what? Listen.
Yeah, his arm is crazy.
You see what I'm saying? I'm telling you, he a brackhead. He moving like a jug, bro. He really might, niggas is a jug. Boogie really might be off the meds, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all, like, there's no way he's moving like that.
Shit like a little goldfish. Yo. You know the thing you play whack-a-mole? It's bite little shit, but I'll try it. It's like tiny. You never know about the spot?
That's somebody's house. They're calling 12 for sure.
That shit. Go ahead, bug, jump it. Yo, huh?
Keep an eye on your gas when you outside. Keep checking your gas, bro. Do not get caught lacking. If you're new to the channel, I put all my subs on game. If you're going to your first ride out, always check your gas, bro. If you street riding, it don't matter. Keep checking it. Because if you run out, 12 will snatch you up. It's quiet. It's over for you. That's it. Did he just put both of his feet up? Oh my God, whoa. Did he just bend the corner like that? Ain't no way.
And this is how you don't waste gas at the gas station. What was the point of that, bro? Huh? You put a whole gallon in there? Tripping.
The next whole gallon's gonna fit. It's empty, bro. You got a whole room, bro. Just get out the port,
Hold this right here, Shane. Hold it like this.
It ain't stolen. Anything without a title.
For anything without a title is stolen.
How much you want for it?
It's crazy. Anything without a title is stolen is crazy.
I got bullshit. I got some good shit, bro. Nah, he got some more too. I don't know if you share. You share?
Yeah, I got 2 smokes, 4 ounces to a gallon.
Oh.
4 ounces of oil to every gallon.
You did way too much, bro. You had 2 points in there.
It's cool, bro. I rather mix heavy.
Burn the shit out the spark plug. You gotta take that gas out.
Carry less, y'all. We gotta mix heavy because this ain't good for your engine. Plans me rather sweet. I put a lot more, guys. I did put a lot more, but it's cool. It don't even matter. Está bien, it don't matter.
It's better to have more than less, though. I ain't gonna lie.
Right?
See, it's better to have more than less. You feel me? No faking.
More is better than less. Más? Sí. Yeah, sí, yo sabe más y more, pero yeah, bro. Wait.
Más something. Whoever's on that YZ125, that joint, he mixed that joint heavy. Who is that? He mixed that thing a little heavy. Kinda looked like it did. He did though. You're supposed to have a nice little smoke coming out, you feel me? Ding, ding, ding. Not a lot though. You're supposed to have that nice smoke, you feel me? Just imagine hearing that coming through, like, bro, that's making you come outside, bro. I swear to God, that's gonna make me come outside. I could be, bro, he tweaking, hold on, what? I could be in a dead sleep. I hear that right there. I hear them hunting around in them KX100s like that. I'm gonna immediately just jump out my sleep, bro. Bro, how?
Alright, squad, we just got done riding. We got the guys, we got Nito, Jacob.
We're gonna stop it right there. They done riding. You heard of me? Bro, he's a joke, bro. But listen, if you guys enjoyed this reaction, smash the like button. Subscribe if you guys are new. And I'll see you guys in the next video, y'all. Peace.